In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Payoneer Checkout in WooCommerce and make sure it's working correctly. We'll go through the full setup process from account preparation all the way to running a test order, so you can confirm that everything is connected properly before accepting real customer payments. To begin, make sure your Payoneer account has already been created and verified. This part is important because payment features usually won't function correctly until the account review and verification process is complete. You'll also want to confirm that Payoneer Checkout is actually enabled and available for your account, since not every account automatically has access to the same services. If this feature isn't active yet, you'll need to resolve that first before continuing. Once that's confirmed, open your WordPress dashboard. From there, you'll install the Payoneer-compatible WooCommerce gateway shown in the tutorial. Be careful to use the correct plugin, because payment gateways depend on proper compatibility with WooCommerce and with the provider you're connecting. After the plugin has finished installing, go ahead and activate it so the payment option becomes available inside your store settings. Next, navigate to WooCommerce, then Settings, and then open the Payments tab. This is where you'll manage the payment methods available on your checkout page. Look for Payoneer Checkout in the list and enable it. If you skip this part, the gateway may be installed but still won't appear for customers during checkout. After enabling it, enter or connect the credentials supplied by Payoneer. Depending on how the plugin works, this may involve pasting in connection details or authorizing the account through a secure connection screen. Make sure everything is entered carefully and accurately, because even a small mistake here can prevent transactions from processing correctly. Once that's done, save the payment settings so your changes are applied. With the gateway now configured, the next step is to complete a test order. This is one of the most important parts of the setup, because it lets you verify that the customer checkout experience works as expected. During the test, pay attention to whether the payment goes through successfully and whether WooCommerce updates the order status correctly afterward. Finally, confirm that both sides of the process are working. The payment should be accepted properly, and the WooCommerce order should reflect the correct status update. If both of those happen, your Payoneer checkout setup is working and ready for use. Taking a few extra minutes to test everything now can help you avoid checkout issues later when real customers begin placing orders.